What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can transfer money from Binance to your MTFE wallet. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to go to your MTFE mobile app, okay, and you need to copy the wallet address. Now open the MTFE app and then click on recharge, and you will see your wallet address, and you need to copy that wallet address so that you can transfer from Binance to your MTFE. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, after you copy the address, you need to click on wallet in the top right, and you need to click on fiat and spot. And after, guys, you click on fiat and spot. This is very easy, and it will take you a few seconds to transfer from Binance to MTFE. Now after you click, guys, on fiat and spot, you need to scroll down a little bit and select here what you want to transfer. For example, if you want to transfer BNB, you can transfer it like next to the coin or BNB. You will find here withdrawal, okay. In the action section, you need to click on withdrawal. As you can see, next to BNB, whatever you want to transfer, you can select it, click on withdrawal. And after, guys, you click on withdrawal, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to paste here the wallet address of your MTFE. Now this is very important. You need to paste here the wallet address, and here you need to select the network. So you need to select the correct network. So for example, whatever you can choose whatever BNB or BSC. Now you can choose here your network. If you don't know the network, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Now you need to enter, like I said, the address, and then at the very bottom you can click on confirm or whatever you see at the bottom, so that you can transfer it, okay. These are the steps, 4 steps, as you can see: get the address, network confirmation, deposit successful, okay. So if you don't understand anything, I will reply to you guys. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Please drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, and I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. See you next time.